1 is what we'll be following now. First, let's follow this approach. Then this is 3 times. They've got 3. 3, 3, 3. Okay. So I've got this. On this side, we've got 3 to the power n. It could have been anything. So once I square it, what I get is 3, and then there will be 4 times this, right? 3, the square root of 3, then square root of 3, and then square root of 3. And this will, I get 3 to the power 2n. Then I square it again, then this will, or I can just take this to the other side and make it 3 to the power 2n minus 1 as well. So I can just say this is 3 to the power 2n minus 1 also, or I can just keep it this way. So then I square it again, so this will become 3 square, and this will become 3, there will be one more 3, and then this will be 3 square root of 3 is square root of 3, and this will become 3 to the power 4n. Okay. So, and this will become 3 to the power 3. So I'll again, so this is, let's do this in two steps. So this will become 3 to the power 3, and then I've got 3 is square root of 3, square root of 3 equals to 3 to the power 4n. Then I square it again, so this will become 3 to the power 6, and then there will be 3 coming out, and then 3 root 3. This will become 3 to the power 8n. So this will become 3 to the power 7, and then 3 is square root of 3. This will become 3 to the power 8n. Now I got to square it again, so this will become 3 to the power 14 into 3, the square root of 3. This will become 3 to the power 16n. And so this will become 3 to the power 15 into square root of 3. So this will become 3 to the power 16n. And then again square it, so this will become 3 to the power 30 into 3 to the power 1. Now will be equal to 3 to the power 32n. Right, so this will become 3 to the power 31, and this will become 3 to the power 32n. So 32n should be equal to 31, so n should be equal to 31 upon 32. Okay. So this is one way. What else we could have done? So we could have started from here itself, right? We could have looked at this square root of 3, which inside of this, right? So this is nothing but 3 to the power 1 by 2, right? So, I mean, I'm just telling you there could be a different way as well to look at this. So what we can look at here is, so this is the big number, right? 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So we start with this one inside one. So I can say that this is nothing but 3 to the power 1 by 2. And then the next one is 3 to the power 1. And this whole thing has to be power of 1 by 2. So till here I'm done. Then beyond this, there is a 3 again. So there is 3. And then whole thing's power is 1 by 2. So I'm done till here. And then there is a 3 over here. And then there is whole thing's power 1 by 2. So I'm done till here. And then finally this is 3. And then the whole thing's power is 1 by 2. So if I look at this way, I can say what is gonna this be. So this is gonna be, you've got to start with the inside one. So this will remain 3, and then I'll start with the inside. So this will be 3, 1 plus half will be 3 by 2. So this will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 will be 1 plus 3 by 4 will be 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 1 by 2 will be 7 by 8. 7 by 8 plus 1 will be 15 by 8. 15 by 8 into 1 by 2 will be 15 by 16. And 15 by 16 plus 1. So 1 plus 15 by 16. If you can figure it out all that, right? To the power 1 by 2. So this is gonna be 31. 3 to the power 31 upon 32. So are you getting it as to what did I do over here? Just like I'm just looking at this square root of 3 and changing it to 3 to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Then the next one after this is 3. So 3 into this And then whole thing's power is 1 by 2 because it's a square root. So I put 1 by 2. Then I come to this part, which is again multiplied by 3. This entire thing is to the power 1 by 2. Then I come to this part, which is 3. And then entire thing's to the power 1 by 2. Then I come to this part 3. And this entire thing's power 1 by 2. If this is confusing, just follow this one. If this is confusing, just follow this one. As it's fine.